Joaquin and Jose's magical journey of learning. Once upon a time, in a house surrounded by a big farm, lived two brothers, Joaquin and Jose. Joaquin, with his wide, curious eyes, loved to explore every little thing. Jose, with his narrow, smiling face, was always ready for an adventure, running and laughing, finding joy in every game they played together. The brothers adored their time playing, building Legos, firing toy guns, and racing each other across the playroom. But every day, just when their games were at their most exciting, Teacher Vivian would arrive. It was tutoring time. Joaquin and Jose groaned. "Oh no! Can't we play for just a little longer?" Joaquin would ask. "We're too busy with our toys," Jose would add. Teacher Vivian always smiles patiently. "There's always time for everything, my dear boys. Playing is fun, but learning will help you in ways you can't even imagine yet." Still, the boys found excuses. They are hungry. They want to go to the comfort room. Their toys are waiting for them. Anything was better than sitting down to study. Mommy Joyce and Daddy Kino lovingly reminded them, "We give you the best learning experiences and materials because learning will shape your future. One day, you will see how much it matters." But the boys did not understand until one special night. One evening, after a long day of play, the boys drifted off to sleep. In their dreams, they found themselves in a dazzling, magical library with books floating in the air. Letters sparkled like stars, and numbers danced around them. A wise owl fluttered down and spoke, "Only those who love to learn can unlock the secrets of the world." Joaquin and Jose looked around in amazement. As they touched the glowing books, they saw incredible futures. A doctor helping people, an engineer building tall towers, a teacher guiding curious minds, a pilot exploring the world, an astronaut traveling the whole universe. Jose gasped, "This is amazing! We can be anything if we learn." Joaquin nodded excitedly. "Learning isn't stopping us from playing. It's helping us discover new worlds." The next morning, the boys woke up, their hearts filled with excitement. When Teacher Vivian arrived, they no longer complained. Instead, they eagerly sat down, ready to unlock more secrets of the world. From that day on, Joaquin and Jose found joy in learning, knowing it was the key to their dreams. And though they still loved to play, they now understood there truly was a time for everything. And so, they grew with loving guidance from their parents and their patient teachers, shaping a bright future, one lesson at a time.